Hi, this is Programming 102 6.4. So in this one, we need to make glitch appear in front of the trees. So that means I need to program glitch. I'm going to glitch from the actor part. In here, it says go back, but we need to put glitch in the front. That means I need to add something. I am coming to this part. It is block parts. So at first, I will add on start. Here, and then I needed to wait a little bit because it's animation, so it will seem like he's coming in the front. So in here we have go back, so I will search for go front. It is here. We're all set. Now let's go back, say next. I already have it, and when you say next, that means you're done.